I'll be dancing over 30 years, and trust me, this exercise is awesome. At the beginning, do not forget subscribe my channel, share for your friends, and if you think that this video will help you and you want more, just go to my website because you can find huge course how you be better dancer. There is a lot, tons of exercise, a lot of hours of training. Okay, let's start. Stay in natural position. Natural position like on the street. Natural. Yeah, do not straight too much, do not bend. If you will bend any, your body will stuck. Your body will be too hectic, too strong for create volume, for be more precise. Okay, you will lose control totally if you will start from the bent knee. Okay, look, I will show you and then I will teach you. First, simply twist upper body, focus and step. Twist upper body, focus, then pivot and step. Twist, hop, high. I will do faster. Then we will train on 80. Now 360. When I want to twist my body, I don't want to twist from my shoulders, just from my center. I think that I have the corset and I feel my body here. Look at me. Then I will focus to the line, to the person, to the someone, to the something, and then I will twist my lower body, but first I pivot on my left, then step and close. One more time, look. First twist upper body. I feel my muscle here. Then focus. Then I pivot on my left, then step, step. One more time. Twist, focus, pivot on left, and step, step. Twist, focus, pivot on left, step, step. Important information is twist and then focus. And now just give me more relaxed, just a bit bent a knee before the pivot on the left. One more time. Twist, focus, bend, pivot, straight, straight. Relax, ta, ta. Now 180 is the same pattern. Twist, feel the body, then focus. Look at my focus. I will show you this in this position. Twist, focus. Look at me. Not like that. Relax, natural, but have strong center your body. Then click on your knee, just a bit bend, a bit relax. Then pivot and step, step. Twist, focus, bend, pivot, step, step. Twist, focus, bend, pivot, step, step. A bit faster. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 360. I will twist to the maximum, then a bit bend, then I will start with my head, then pivot, but my direction, I almost finish here. My direction is here. Now look, step here, and then I will finish twisting, and I am on position. This is important. If you want more, just go to my course, how to spin, how to prepare your body for a turn a spin, or just you can write in the comments, I will answer you. Feel free to ask and see you next time. Bye.